Everyone, I'm inside Knife Entertainment's Pro Military Customizable FPS character. It's a mouthful, is it? Is this an FPS character controller? Is this an FPS weapons and animations pack? I am confused. We're going to find out together exactly what this pack is. You get a fully animated FPS character with customizable hands, weapons and textures. You get a demo build if you want to play about with it from the asset store link. Link is down below. Normally this is 1 cent shy of $75, but you can get this on 50% off currently on the Unity end of 2018 sale. How many sales are we going to have? Well, this is the last one of the year. I promise you, and the next one probably won't be for a while yet. And we're getting this 50% off, so just shy of about $37. We're paying 37 something, aren't we? If we're going to add that up, double it up to 75, so it's about that, isn't it? There or thereabouts. Do some maths. You can do it. Ooh. Yeah, I played about with this previously on my live Twitch stream, and I'm playing about with it now for this video for you guys and gals who didn't manage to catch that stream on orderws.twitch.tv/themessicode. Talking about streaming, this Saturday the 22nd of December, I've got 4 of the greatest asset store developers in the house together. We've got Procedural Worlds, creators of Gaia, Gina, CTS and a load more, also publishing the Sector pack so you can have massive stream worlds. I've got Dennis, the creator of Voxelland and Map Magic, coming in, and also we've got Stefan from Bite the Bytes, who are makers of World Creator 2. Surprise guest is Bankroll Studios. They are the guys behind Mad Maps and also the developers of Hurt World, that fantastic game that's been made with Unity. Hashtag made with Unity. Right, sit back, enjoy this video, and I'll see you all in a second. Hi everyone, Messi Coder inside Unity. I've loaded up Knife Entertainment's Pro Military Customizable FPS character pack. Normally it's $74.99, just 1 cent shy of $75, but it is in this crazy Christmas, well, end of year Unity sale. Yet another sale at 50% off. It's $37.49. Wow. What are we going to say? Is there going to be another sale straight after this one? Hopefully not. Our wallets need time to recover, but at 50% off, this is a crazy bargain that I could not resist the chance of showing you. I got gifted this by my fantastic community. Actually got me in touch with the developers of this kit, Knife Entertainment, and we got gifted a copy of this pack to play about with. I've had this on the live stream, so this is not an unboxing. I've played with this before, and to be honest, no spoilers here, I am impressed. I do like it. There are flaws, there are problems with this pack, and I will play about with them and show them to you as I'm playing about in this video. But generally, what are we going to say? $75 is a lot of money. I don't know exactly still at this point what it's trying to be. Is it trying to be an FPS character controller? Is it trying to be a selection of weapons and animations? Or is it basically focusing on its flagship functionality of customizing these guns, and even the character's arms as well are customizable at one time in the game, which is pretty damn fantastic. So yeah, we're going to pop into the demo scene and play about. There are 2 demo scenes, so there's this one that we're here, a sample scene, and there's also this one called Test. Just going to click play. I haven't played about this demo scene. What is this? Okay. You do need to middle mouse to get rid of that mouse on the screen, middle mouse back again. So you do need to actually play about with the settings, because straight away I would say it's, look at these cloned hit effects have just magically appeared. What is all that about? So if we go to our player, sensitivity 2, put that to 4, it just feels like he's modelling in mud. Also speed multiplier, just put that to 3. Also speed here, put that to 2 sort of. And now here we go, things just feel a little bit better for me. So maybe that's too much for you, reduce that down for you, but pick those up. It's a very simple demo scene here. What's that on the floor? Grenade. Can't even see there's no crosshairs. Crosshairs on the screen, is there? Or is it just the dirt on my monitor? can't even tell anymore. So used to having a sticker stuck on there from Kingdom Come Deliverance. I do love the fact that these unlock it and then open it up again. You can put something in there, maybe a kebab. It could be anything you want in that box. This is the initial sample demo scene. Look at those veins on that arm. I do like these arms. It's just the polys are a little bit simple on the arms, so when you do some weapons, they look a little bit like, okay, you maybe not even notice them. But I mean, I'm being nitpicking. It's only $5. I'm nitpicking on certain things. I love the veins. Those veins are just juicy. Look at them. Oh, and that smoke. Oh, look, you can't even tell. Look at the smoke that comes up from these guns. I'm firing. Can you see that smoke? You can barely see that smoke probably, can't you? It is lovely. That's probably a better view. It is beautiful. That little effects there. That little effects just, makes me happy. Makes me giddy. Oh, beautiful. Let's load that up. It takes a while to load that. It's got a little... But now if we push V, pop over here. Oh, there's no editor in this demo scene. Oh, so this is pushing V. Normally you would have the editors. So let's pop into the other demo scene, because I hadn't played that demo scene before. And back in, where did you disappear to? Sample scenes. Where are you? Sample scene profiles. It should be in the scenes folder. Test. Maybe it's in the root. Scenes. Raycast test. Where was he hiding? Actually, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go down here and we'll say sample scene. There it is. Where was he hiding? In the scene samples. Was he there and I just couldn't see him? Really? No, he's in a different folder called scenes. In this scenes folder. There you go. That's confused me. That's why I couldn't find it. It was not in the scenes folder here. It's in this scenes folder. Oh, that's a bit odd. A bit odd indeed. Let's click play. Have a muck about. Oh, hang on. Before we do that, let's go back over here. Go to my player. Put him up to 3.5. 3.5. Increase you to, not you. Increase you to 3. Increase you to 2. And yeah. Click play. There's so much stuff you can muck about here. The head bob really needs mucking about the head bob because it's just crazy. We've got R for reload, F for flashlight, H to heal, 1 to 5 for the weapon, escape to get rid of this controller, classic, shift, control and space, and X to change the weapon types. Middle mouse to get rid of your mouse cursor, annoyingly for some reason. Not sure what that's all about. Look at this on the walls here. Looks beautiful, it really does. I love that on the walls. Let's go, bloke here, you get a bloke on the sofa. Maybe I should put that a bit too high. Put that down to 3 on the sensitivity. So you say you're tweaking this about. Bloke sitting on the sofa, you got their logo, you got a nice sofa, you got a smoke cigarette smoking away, you got a plant. Pick up the knife that's stuck in this dummy, flick, animation. That's just smacking that dummy. Nice little gift there. Mask, duct tape on him. I even like the duct tape texture. Pick up this medikit. Let's go over here. Pick up this pistol and get some ammo and just start shooting pretty much. So if I, number 1, number 2, get my gun out. Oh, first use, make sure that it's got a chamber in there, in the chamber. Well, animation's a bit slow, so once I'm shooting, everything's fine and fast. And if I put the cursor, my mouse still, you see that it's moving around by itself. I love this. You'll notice in a second, let's reload. See, this is now fast and everything's fine. But it was that first one of idle. See, now everything seems to be at good speed. Getting the gun out for the first time. So if I switch now, get the gun, let's see. The speed seems to be better. It's an odd one, isn't it? It was an odd one. Now if I push V and I customize, I can add a funky laser on there. I can change my barrel. It'd be nice to have information, like you move the mouse over here and it goes UI and it shows you exactly what all these different things are and the effect they have. Add that Patini on there, and now I can add better aim. I can even put gloves on, or fingerless gloves. I can make nice long sleeves, I can change the type of clothes I'm doing, put a big ammo clip in there, even have a tattoo, but you can't see because I need to get rid of these sleeves if you want to see my sexy tattoo. I can even change the colour of my weapon as well. Push V to get rid of this. Now if I aim, let's aim on something here. I find it difficult to actually aim because I'm not using my normal mouse. You see it's barely moving. I've also increased the sensitivity a little bit too much to get a decent aim. So if we put that back down to 2 and now go in there, is that, there you go. Not so much sway at all as it had previously, and oddly mouse sensitivity seems to be better, but I'm still nice and fluid. That's an odd one. That is an odd one. So if I now pick up this shotgun, yes, can I change the, if I push X, no, alright. If I now switch to number 3 of this gun, oh I love that, I love it. You can feel the weight of it, and again if I just shoot, see the smoke comes out of the back of the gun and the front of it. Beautiful. Pick up some ammo, we've got all the ammo we need. So let's click V and customize this bad boy. We can get rid of the butt if we wanted. We can make it white again, add this Bucatini, add the scope, add an ammo on there, see that ammo goes in there, add another Bucatini on this bit, add a flashlight, make a better barrel. Hang on. This one here. Now if I push V and I shoot this zombie, oh, love it. Love it. Look at that wobble. So now if I push V and I change the barrel, so it's not just the aim that's affected by changing elements. I change this barrel, now I shoot. It's different noise, a different effect as well. So it just basically feels like you're creating different weapons. It's not that many, literally a handful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weapons in this pack, including the knife. Not that many. Not that many weapons. So let's flip over here to this gun and have, where are you? There you are. Come on. 4. Number 4. There it is. So let's open up this box. See what I mean about being a little bit slow? Now we can open that up. See, I just took ammo out of it as soon as I just clicked it. You can do whatever you want. Love that. Push V. Can customize. Oh, I was zoomed in when I pushed V. Interesting. Push X. Change the way I find it. It tells me there in the UI that it's changed. If I push X again, semi. If I push X again, automatic. Beautiful. V. Let's change the muzzle. Let's change the scope on this. Let's have this one. And let's change the colour. Not that much you can change about on this one, to be honest. But yeah, at least we've got a scope. I can't zoom in the scope, so that's a shame. Oh, I've got no ammo. Let's reload. Oh, nice. Also, the bullet effect decals could be nicer. That's just standard. Put a round circle with a dot in it. And if we change back to this gun, reload. I love the reload animation. Can I break out? Yes, I can break out of a reload. So I just change a weapon while it was reloading. That's nice. Other things, I've seen them lock you in and you can't change while you're reloading, which sucks. What about this one? Reload, clip out, in, boom, clip it back. Lovely. I'm back in. I had to stop it and start it. I had the neighbours complaining about throwing grenades all over the place. Let's get my gun out. I want to show you the health pack. Actually, before we do that, let's run over here. So again, one thing that does drive me a little bit nuts is everything just feels like it's in slow motion a little bit. So you have to go into the default settings and speed everything up. You have to increase the speeds here, increase the animation speeds, increase the sensitivity on your mouse, the run speed, the walk speed, reduce the head bop a little bit. So I can't say this is an out of the box straight away everything's perfect player controller. it's probably perfect for what they wanted in their game, and they're using it, no doubt. And then you'd have to tweak it for your own uses. If we go over to here, let's get this lovely knife out. We start doing stabby. So these are nice. The speed of your weapons, using the weapons, is nice. It's just the equipping, unequipping, reloading, and generally just moving about needs to be sped up. Good thing is that we can tweak all of those with just the settings. We don't have to do anything with code. We don't have to muck about to a high extent. Let me click 5 and get these grenades out. Let's take a little bit of damage. Oh, too close, too close! And if I now get this medikit, and I notice that the medikit says 1 medikit. If I push H, inject, boom! Nice animation. It doesn't actually increase my health, and it didn't reduce the medikits. So obviously there's only so much functionality that's included in here. I love that. Boom, dead. Spin around. Love that spin. Throw the grenade as he falls down. He's got veins on his arms. Beautiful. It is beautiful. Beautiful looking. I need to give it a score. Need to give this beautiful pack a score. It's 1 cent shy of $75. And as $75, what am I getting? Am I getting a player controller, FPS player controller, or am I getting a weapons and animations pack with customizable weapons? I'm still unsure of what this pack wants to be. There's no peeking around corners, no climbing ladders, there's no swimming. It feels like I've got interacting, and I've got the basic elements of an FPS controller, which is good enough to showcase off their weapons. And the cop's back again. The best thing about this pack, obviously, is this customization. It is fantastic. I even like the UI. It can be a little bit fiddly when you've got one underneath on top of the other, but apart from that, I can't really complain. I love the fact that we've got these add-ons. I add on that, and now I can add on more components. So one has a relationship with the other. Again, if you're looking for an FPS weapons customization type kit, then obviously spend your money on this pack. I can't see anything else that comes close to this. If you're looking at getting a selection of FPS weapons and animations for your existing player controller, probably this is not the kit for you, because we're only getting literally a handful of weapons. I've got 5 buttons on my keyboard to press, 1 for each finger. I can customize these weapons drastically, so they're completely different. When I say completely, they're still the same underlying weapon at the end of the day. So I can change the barrel, and the damage it does is different. The scope, get rid of that scope, and get rid of the ammo from there. Change the color of it to be white, and get rid of that. And now, yes, it looks like a different gun. I can even remove the butt, and now it looks like quite a different gun. But it's still the same gun at the end of the day. I want to see more weapons for $75. Can I recommend this pack at 50% off? This is a must buy. This is a crazy must buy. You must buy this pack at 50% off, in my opinion. I love it. I really do. I'm in love with this pack. Aesthetically, it is visually beautiful to use and to behold. Animations are bang on. I love that. I just want a little bit more bang for my buck. Pardon the pun. Love the fact that we get these sofas in. So I'm going to say value for money is the tough one on this. Let's go with the easy ones. Models and textures. I'm giving this 4.5 out of 5. I love them. I love the animations. I think customer support, again, spot on. They are fantastic with the customer support. Cannot complain whatsoever. Quick, responsive, and doing updates. Bang on job. Could do a little bit faster on the updates, maybe. So, going to give 4.5 for customer support, 4.5 for the models and the textures. But here we go with the value for money. The value for money for me is the big one here. That's the problem we've got. There's just not that much in this pack. I can't take away the amount of complexity that is done for this pack. Cannot take that away from them. To be able to handle, see what I mean about just slowness in that animation. To get away with all of this funky customization that they've got, it is lovely. Can't argue that it is lovely. It's beautifully done, beautiful UI, beautiful weapons, beautiful models. I'm gonna have to give this, for value for money, a 3.5 out of 5 though. That at least brings that the entire pack. I'm gonna give this 4 stars out of 5. I am a massive fan of this pack. I love it. I really do. I need to see how you can actually use it though. Is it usable? Can I add this on an existing controller? Can you add this on the UFPS or Realistic FPS Prefab or Next Gen FPS or any other FPS kit out there? If so, then yeah, this is beautiful. Until that point, I don't know. I can't answer that question. But if you do like these videos, on December the 22nd, I've got 4, that's right, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 asset developers all at once in the chat on my live Twitch stream, orderws.twitch.tv/themessycoder. We are doing the Terrain Guru stream. We've got Procedural Worlds, Adam, who is the creator of Gaia, Gina, CTS. He's also publishing Sector, so you can have massive streaming worlds powered by Gaia and Gina. You're all talking about streaming worlds. We've got the creator of Map Magic and Voxel Land, Dennis, in the house as well. If you want a massive, procedural, beautiful world, then Map Magic also does it, makes the job so easy. We've also got 1 but 2 but 3 amazing world creators. It's World Creator 2. Hey, see what I did there? That's right, Bite the Bites with us. Stefan is back again. It was a year ago pretty much that he was with us on our last huge, massive, epic 12-hour stream, and Stefan's back again. Thank you so much, Stefan, for popping in. And finally, our surprise guest is, well, somebody with a bit of credentials behind them of making a real-life game. It's the developers of Hurt World. They've also got their own asset on the asset store. It's called Mad Maps, and that is Bankroll Studios. So we've got 4 amazing people on the chat. We're going to be talking about updates to Unity, how that's affecting the Terrain developers. So not only the end users, but the guys who are actually making all these cool terrain tools. What they think is going to be on the horizon, what it currently is, and how you can use Unity and all these awesome terrain tools to make your fantastic games. I look forward to seeing you all in the chat. orderws.twitch.tv/themessycoder. It is December the 22nd, 9 PM UK time. That's 4 PM Eastern and 3 PM Central and 1 PM Pacific. I think I'm getting there. I think that's about right. And it's early in the morning if you're down under, like Adam is, joining us bright and breezy in his early mornings, about 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning for him, around there, depending if you're in Sydney or Melbourne or depending where else you are. So, guys and girls, don't forget, click on that big juicy red subscribe button down below. And if you do like it, click it. Till next time. If you want to see more of my crazy videos, click on the left side of your screen now. And down below, there's that big juicy subscribe button. And right next to it is the magic bell that if you click it, it will tell you if I've got a new video coming out. Till next time.